Hello, my name is Miguel Ángel Rodriguez Gonzalez, and this is my evidence 2 in value chain improvement process. Firstly, challenge, Grileros last mile delivery problem. Currently, Grileros has a problem with delivery logistics, specifically with last mile delivery to its customers, which are large butcher shops such as Carnicería San Juan or Carnicería Ramos, which do not have distribution centers and require that each supplier deliver their products to each branch. The training partner says that they have been growing a lot lately and they need to innovate their delivery logistics to reduce their shipping costs and their CO2 emissions. Moving to the alternative diagnostic process, firstly, what I would do is do an analysis of the whole process with the guidance of the customer. I would visit them in order to visualize more opportunity areas and get to know their processes better. The tools I would use would be SIPOC, which stands for suppliers, inputs, processes, outputs, and customers, which are meant to be like a flow diagram in order to see each process individually. So firstly, we have to do a flow diagram, and then with that flow diagram, we can do the SIPOC in order to see like the supplier and process and customers of each process. So we can see out of the whole chain, which links are weaker. The flow diagram obviously is very important. A VSM is also very important, and a SWOT. A SWOT, I think, is actually very important because we can see strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunity areas in the organization, and the 5 whys are also important. Some opportunity areas I detected on the training on the formative partner, sorry, would be their logistics, specifically the routes, because they do not plan them, they just do it. The time of deliveries, they spend 30 minutes on each branch, which is a lot. Time spent on each brand, like while delivering, and the communication with clients, which sometimes does not exist. An alternative solution would be to implement some kind of software to make deliveries to each branch faster, like DHL does. Like you just sign and then they deliver and that's it. They stay like, I don't know, a minute or two if you're in your house. So it's a lot faster. So that would save a lot of time. This and combine the solution presented by my team, which was meant to be used to make optimal routes using GAMS. Specifically, we divided the city of Monterrey in 4 sections: northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest specifically, and then routing on each section. And some technological tools I would use would be like developing an app for the company in order to make them faster, like DHL does. They just sign and they go. Or some Excel, or use pre-printed delivery receipts in order to make them faster, and obviously make use of GAMS to make the routes. An implementation plan. Through the manual provided by us, Grileros will rely on the steps to achieve the objective discussed. These steps we are talking about are summarized like this. Firstly, define the objectives and dialogue with the management layer of the company. Then approach the team managing the implementation and discuss what their roles would be. And then make a rain of ideas or a storm ideas in order to get some possible complications and some improvements if they're necessary. Also, assign roles, managers, and auditors for the processes, and also verify results and continually improve. A conclusion. Some recommendation could be to focus more on the diagnostic processes and get to know the process better. It would be very good for someone wanting to do a diagnostic process to see the process, because you actually get to know it better. So that would be a great first start. And as a conclusion, this project helped me a lot to put into practice the knowledge acquired in previous classes, like heuristics or meta heuristics, which was seen in 5th semester. Currently, I'm in 6th. And the knowledge acquired in these modules specifically, which were meant to use in GAMS, which was very helpful. They also helped us a lot to get the best solutions possible. And that's it. Thank you very much.